everyone. Myself Dakshana from UKGA. Hello everyone. Myself Sarvesh from UKGA. Let's start the program with a prayer song by PKG students. Now we have Bible reading by Nitya from LKG. Psalm chapter 24, verse 1. At this loss, everything we eat. Is this sad? Whereof everything we eat. By Peter God. Thank you for those lovely words. Next, here comes Joshua from LKGB to lead us in prayer.
Dear God, thank you for this beautiful gathering. We are here to celebrate the Independence Day. Thank you for this beautiful world around us. Help us to take care of the trees, plants and animals. Guide us to keep the air and water clean. Teach us to love and protect our earth so that it stays healthy and happy. In Jesus' name, let us come the Lord's Prayer. Heaven, Father, heaven, holy be your names. Will thee come down on earth as in this in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Lead us not into temptation, the day were us from our evil, the kingdom, the power, and the Lord be your Amen.
Now it's time for a thought for a day by Harshit from UKGA.
Today's thought: Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. I repeat, Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Thank you.
Significant for this day by Benita from LKG. Good morning, all. Today, significant of the day. We should take care of our planet and nature for a healthy future. Thank you. Now let's enjoy a play by our tiny thoughts of pre-KG. speak by LKG. Hi, this is my garden. I love this tree. Trees produce oxygen, which we need to breathe. They give us shade to relax on sunny days. Not only this, they give us more. Come, let us all learn together. Media made from plants, fruits like apple, banana, orange, grow on trees. Vegetables like carrot, potato, grow on ground.
Some plants that cultivate just make better noodles. Some plants better noodles. Some plants that if it always I keep it slow.
Cotton comes from plant. It goes from fade balls. People take cotton and make it a clothes like t-shirt and socks. Linen is another hobby. Some plants goes come on the plants going on the fleets. Isn't the goal? Thank you. We get wood from trees. Trees like oak and pine have strong trunks. People cut the wood from tree to make table, chairs, music instruments in even log houses. Wood is also used to make pencils and toys. Trees give us lots of helpful things. Medicine. We get medicine from plants. Help us feel better when we are sick. Some plants, like the other plant, have leaves with gel. The gels heal cut and burn. Other plants give us petal ingredient to make medicine. The gels cough hurt or tummy. Plants are like little helpers that make feel healthy. Thank you. Major rubber special tree called the rubber tree. The tree makes a sticky liquid called sap, and people collect it to make rubber. Other trees make things like tire, balloon, rubber gloves, shoes, and even eraser, and help us to make cool things like rubber. Did you know? Yet, paper from trees. People take wood and turn it into paper. Paper we use to draw, write, and make books. So, paper comes from trees growing in the forest. Thank you. Thank to trees. Let's plant more trees. Thank you. Wow, that was thoughtful. Now let's get ready to tap our feet for dance performance by UKGA. Let's cheer them.
कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियां का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियां का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा
कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा
प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं कैसा ये समाज है
कल ना हो हाथों में आज है
मौका ये अब ना गवाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे
It's a wonderful performance. Now we have UKG Beams sent on stage to sing a song. Here comes Jeeva from LKG, PKG 2. They will oath of thanks.
Thank you all for 10 years on this
and the dark day. Let the color make a difference. Thank you.